Hello, welcome to Java Programming Tutorials, Chapter 21, Abstract Class and Methods in Java, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. So in this session, we are going to learn about the abstract classes and methods in Java. So first of all, let us understand the concept of abstraction, and it is also one of the key features in object-oriented programming language. So first, let's understand what is abstraction in Java. So abstraction, it is the process of hiding the implementation details, okay, and showing only the actual functionality to the user. So in the sense, we all know like how to send a SMS, but we never see how the code is implemented to that to send a SMS. Okay, that is what we call abstraction. We just see like the UI thing, user interface things, like we'll type the text and we'll click the button. Okay, that sends the SMS, but behind that we have written the code to do that work. Okay, so hiding that implementation details and just showing the functionality to the user is called abstraction in Java. So in Java we have both abstract class and abstract methods also. So first, what is abstract class? Any class that is declared with the abstract keyword is called an abstract class. And what an abstract class can contain, it can contain the abstract and non-abstract methods too. So without wasting much time, let me show you like how to work with the abstract methods. So before that, we have to understand this. So how do you define an abstract class? It's very simple. We use the abstract keyword in front of the class before the class declaration, okay, and abstract keyword before the method definition. Okay, so let me show you how to work with the abstract methods. So to do that, let me jump into Eclipse, and here I have a main method. So here is my abstract project. So here what I'll do is I'll add a method, I'll add a class called vehicle. So let me click finish, and now what I'll do is I'll add another two classes, like the class, it is bike. I'll click finish, and also I'll add another class, that is class car, and I'll click finish. So when I come to vehicle, so what I'll do is I'll make this class as abstract class. So this is how you can make a class abstract, by adding a keyword before the class keyword. So now an abstract class can contain abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. So abstract methods does not have the implementation, they have only the definition of that method. So how to define abstract method? Again same, we have to start with the abstract keyword, okay, followed by the method name. So wheels, so this is the abstract, okay, this is the abstract method, and also it can have a non-abstract method. Void like print, telling something like system dot out. Telling like happy journey, something like that. Okay, now what I'll do is, okay, I'll inherit this abstract class to the class bike and car. So what I'll do is I'll come here, and to the class bike I'll inherit the class vehicle. So now you can observe we are getting error. So the error is the type bike must implement the inherited abstract method. So anyone inheriting the abstract class should provide the definitions, or provide the implementation to the methods present in the abstract class. So now it's my job to do the implementation to this method wheels. So what I need to do here is I need to tell like void wheels. So I need to provide the implementation here, telling like, so since it's a bike, it will be having two wheels. So I'm going to type like two wheels, okay. And similarly what I'll do is I'll inherit the class vehicle to the class car also, and the similar thing I have to implement, okay. So you can observe here I'm getting the same thing. This is how you can implement a method directly, okay. And now you have to write the code whatever you wish to do here. I implemented the method, So here what I'll tell is I'll just copy this line just to save the time, and I'll type it and I'll copy it here, telling like its car has 4 wheels. So you can observe here what is the advantage of using the abstract method is, since abstract method does not contain the definition, it does not contain the implementation. So what we can do is when we inherit the abstract class, it's up to us like how do we use that method and make use of it. So I'm having a class vehicle, it's abstract class, and also I have a method called wheel, it's abstract method. So when I inherit the class vehicle, it's my job to provide the implementation to this method so I can use it the way I want. So I'm implementing this vehicle, inheriting this vehicle to bike and car, and it has a method called wheel. So since bike has 2 wheels, I'm just printing like, I'm providing the implementation telling like printing 2 wheels, and car it's 4 wheels. And apart from that, I can also make use of this method print. I can call them directly. So now what I'll do is I'll come here, okay, then I'll tell like create object of the class vehicle v, okay, then I'll tell v dot, okay, it's wheels. So before that I need to tell v is equal to new bike. So then when I call v dot wheels, you can observe here, and then I also can call a non-abstract method, that is print. Okay, you can observe here very clearly. Then what I'll do is I'll tell v dot, or first we need to create object of the pointing to the child, v is equal to new car. So now I can call like v dot wheels, as well as I can call v dot print method also. So now when I run this program, you can observe very clearly it's printing like 2 wheels happy journey and 4 wheels happy journey. So in the sense our abstract class can contain an abstract method as well as non-abstract method too. So when I inherit abstract method, it's my job to provide implementation to the non-abstract method. Okay, so this is how I provide implementation in these two classes. When I inherit the non-abstract class, you can observe them very clearly, and I'll create an object of this parent class pointing to a child class objects. So then I'll run the program, and this is the output what I expect. So this is the advantage of using the abstract class and method. And now abstract class can also have constructor, a data member, method, etc. So now what I'll do is let me show it right now. It's vehicle, and now let me remove this, or let me take only the bike. So it can also have a constructor. So how to create a constructor? It's very simple. It's telling like running. Okay, you can observe here, as I said you, it contains a constructor, it contains an abstract method, and it contains a method too. So now when I go here and when I run this program, you can observe here the default constructor will be called as soon as we create the object, and the rest two methods are executing, 2 wheels and happy journey. You can observe here very clearly. Okay, and this is what I tell like abstract classes can also have a constructor, data member, methods, etc. I hope you understood like why we can use abstract class and method. Okay, so finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. Further reference, ref our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.